going to walk you through a project out here in Brentwood where we ran into some issues with a storm drain actually running underneath this whole footing. We got two different styles of foundations out here. I was going to kind of show you what we're dealing with. So on this building, this is the original foundation. There's been no additions. I'm going to switch you around here. So on this building, the original foundation starts, behind that deck, obviously, and then comes to here. Now, this back half was all an addition. So, originally you had your foundation here, and when they added this, they didn't take into account that, they had a storm drain right here. So, and that storm drain literally runs completely underneath that footing. You can see here how close the pile is to the building, and these piles are meant to be run, straight down at about a 1 degree angle. So the issue is in these areas where we've got the storm drain underneath is we had a needle beam. So what you've got here is we're gonna have a pile here, and we've got this specially designed beam that runs all the way through this foundation, and we are basically holding up this foundation wall with this beam because we couldn't put those piles right up against it. Pretty crazy.